Jain friends. So friends, a very warm welcome to you all. Today we are going to discuss class 9th. Your chapter 9 is going on, which is area of parallelogram and triangle. In this we are discussing the exercise 9.3 और इसमें हमने क्वेश्चन 1 to 6 कंप्लीट कर चुके हैं. So today we are going to start your lecture from the question number 7. Just see what is given in this question number 7. D and E are the points on sides AB and AC respectively of triangle ABC. Means this is your triangle ABC. In this, D and E are 2 points on side AB and AC. After that, D is joined, DC is joined, EB is also joined. Then it is given that such that area of triangle DBC, area of this triangle DBC is equals to area of triangle EBC. Means area of this triangle DBC is equals to area of triangle EBC, which these are given. DBC इस ट्रायंगल का एरिया, afterwards area of triangle EBC is also given. Area of these two triangles are equal given. So prove that this line D is parallel to BC. ये हमको प्रूव करना है. ठीक है फ्रेंड्स? Okay. So let us see. First of all, we need to write down the thing which is we are doing that in every questions. The given, afterwards to prove, so what to write in given in the question means given and to prove, you will get it in the question. So in the given you just write down in triangle ABC, in triangle ABC, D and E are the points on sides, D and E are the points on sides AB and AC. D is on AB and E is on AC respectively. Right? And one more thing is given. What is? And area of triangle DBC is equals to area of triangle EBC. This is given. Area of triangle DBC is equals to area of triangle EBC. The area of these two sided triangles are given equal. Okay? As the area of these two triangles are given equal, so what we are going to prove? We are going to prove that the lines, which one? D, ये जो लाइन आपने ज्वाइन किया D, ये BC के पैरेलल है. लाइन D is parallel to BC. ये हमें प्रूव करना है. राइट फ्रेंड्स? सो कॉन्सेप्ट क्लियर हुआ? इतना समझ में आया क्या प्रूव करना है एंड व्हाट इज गिवन? सो लेट अस सी द प्रूफ ऑफ दिस क्वेश्चन. प्रूफ देखते, अकॉर्डिंग वी हैव टू प्रूव इट. ठीक है? सो एज व्हाट यू हैव रेड, द ट्रायंगल्स lying on same base means triangles having common base, and if they lie between same parallels, so their areas are equal. Here just opposite is given. What is given opposite? The triangles, these two triangles, they lie on the same base. दोनों ट्रायंगल देखो, ट्रायंगल DBC और EBC दोनों ही ट्रायंगल बेस BC पे लाई करते हैं और their areas are equal given. So if their areas are equal, so but obvious they lies between same parallels. Okay? So from the figure it is clear that first of all, what? Since triangle DBC. Since triangle DBC and triangle EBC, these two triangles are there. These two triangles are having common base. Triangle DBC and triangle EBC are having common base. Which is common base? BC. And their areas are equal given, and area of triangle DBC is equals to area of triangle EBC. It is given. So if these things are given, so from the theorem it is clear that what if two triangles having common base and their areas are equal then they lie between same parallels. Between same parallels. Okay, so here since triangle DBC and triangle EBC have common base BC and area of triangle DBC is equals to area of triangle EBC. Therefore, we will get the result these two triangles lies between same parallel lines, means D is parallel to BC. Right friends, the concept is clear. The thing which you have learned in this, what if two triangles have common base and their areas are equal, means this triangle DBC and triangle EBC, their base BC is common. And one more thing is given, what? Their areas are also equal. If their areas are also equal, it means they lie between same parallels. D is parallel to BC. Any confusion? Very good, you just note down it there in your notebook. Okay friends, let's see the question number 8. In this it is given XY is a line parallel to the side BC of triangle ABC, right? So this is your triangle ABC and XY is this line which is parallel to BC. XY is the line which is parallel to BC. Afterwards it is given if B is parallel to AC, means this line B is parallel to this line AC. B is parallel to AC and CF is this line. CF is parallel to AB, this line is parallel to this. CF is parallel to AB, meet X, Y at point E and F respectively. Then so that area of triangle ABE. So area of triangle ABE means ABE, this triangle. Area of this triangle is equals to area of triangle ACF, means area of this triangle. तो हम प्रूफ क्या करने जा रहे हैं? एरिया ऑफ दिस ट्रायंगल ABE, दिस साइडेड रीजन, इस ट्रायंगल का एरिया, एरिया ऑफ दिस ट्रायंगल ABE is equals to the area of triangle ACF, means this triangle ACF. इस ट्रायंगल का एरिया हम इक्वल प्रूव करने जा रहे हैं. राइट फ्रेंड्स, दिस साइडेड रीजन. ओके, कॉन्सेप्ट समझ में आ रहा है? सो लेट अस स्टार्ट प्रूविंग दिस क्वेश्चंस. सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल we need to write down the things which we are writing always. The given in given what to write, that in the question BC XY is a line parallel to BC in triangle ABC, means XY is parallel to BC in triangle ABC, right? This thing is given. After that, B is parallel to AC, this is given, and CF is parallel to AB, this is given. The thing which is given we have to write down. हमने लिख दिया. अब क्या करते हैं? You are going to show that, means you are going to prove. To prove we are going to prove that what this area of triangle ABE, this sided region, is equals to area of triangle ABE is equals to area of triangle ACF. साइडेड पार्ट जो हमने सेट किया है वही प्रूव करने जा रहे हैं, उसका एरिया इक्वल है. ठीक है, चलो. सो फ्रेंड्स, in the proof of this question you have to be very careful because there are so many concepts, so many theorems we are going to discuss about this figure. that means कौन कौन से theorem discuss करने जा रहे हैं? जैसे 9.1, two parallelograms having common base lie between same parallels are equal in area. Two triangles have common base between same parallels are equal in area, and a triangle and a parallelogram have common base between same parallels, so the area of triangle is equals to the area, half of the area of parallelogram. These three concepts, these three theorems, these three results we have to use to prove this question. Right friends? So let us see first of all our concept. पहले तो हम अपना कॉन्सेप्ट यूज करते हैं. इस फिगर में आते हैं. कौन से फिगर में? AEBNC, AEBC में आते हैं हम. AEBC, राइट? सो इन AEBC व्हाट इज द विजिबल टू यू? एक्चुअली दिख क्या रहा है इसमें? एक ट्रायंगल दिख रहा है and one quadrilateral you are seeing EBCY. This is the triangle ABE जिसका एरिया आप प्रूव करने जा रहे हो, एरिया फाइंड करने जा रहे हो. बट ये क्वाड्रिलेटरल जो EBCY मिल रही है, कैसा क्वाड्रिलेटरल है पहले तो ये कंफर्म करते हैं, है कि नहीं? तो चलो लेट अस डिस्कस अबाउट द क्वाड्रिलेटरल EBCY. ओके, सो इन द प्रूफ ऑफ दिस क्वेश्चन इसके प्रूफ में ध्यान से देखो. इन क्वाड्रिलेटरल EBCY, इन क्वाड EBCY, ये ध्यान से देखते हैं. EBCY, इसमें BC is parallel to XY. BC is parallel to XY. In this BC means XY is parallel to BC, which is given in the question. कहाँ दिया है? This BC is parallel to XY. right? If xy is parallel to BC, so what can you say? Is EY is also parallel to BC? क्या EY भी BC के parallel होगा? But obvious, because this xy is a part of this line EY. Therefore, what you can say, since xy is parallel to BC, therefore you can say that EY is parallel to BC. Okay? EY is parallel to BC. Say this is equation A. Clear? Okay. अब आते हैं next result पे. EB is parallel to AC is given. EB is parallel to AC. Means this B is parallel to AC. If B is parallel to AC, so can you say B is parallel to CY also? Because this CY is a part of this line segment AC. Okay? So since B is parallel to AC, which is given. Okay? B is parallel to AC, that is given. Therefore, what you can say, this B is parallel to CY also. Therefore, B is parallel to CY. Say this is equation B. Clear? CY के पैरेलल क्यों हुआ? क्योंकि CY AC का ही एक पार्ट है. चलो अब इस क्वाड्रिलेटरल में देखो ध्यान से, EBCY इसके दोनों पेयर ऑफ मीन्स बोथ द पेयर ऑफ अपोजिट साइड्स आर पैरेलल टू ईच अदर. So if in any quadrilateral both the pair of opposite sides are parallel, so that quadrilateral becomes a parallelogram. Therefore, this quadrilateral EBCY is a parallelogram. Therefore, quad EBCY is a parallelogram. रीजन क्या लिखेंगे? In any quadrilateral, if both the pair of opposite sides are parallel, then that quadrilateral becomes a parallelogram. A quadrilateral is a parallelogram. So reason is a quadrilateral is a parallelogram if both the pair of opposite sides are parallel. If both the pair of opposite sides are parallel. Opposite sides are parallel. राइट फ्रेंड्स, क्लियर हुआ ये कॉन्सेप्ट? ओके, अब हमने क्या प्रूव कर दिया कि ये EBCY एक पैरेललोग्राम है. नाउ EBCY इज अ पैरेललोग्राम एंड दिस ABE इज अ ट्रायंगल. आर दे हैविंग कॉमन बेस? अभी ये दोनों ट्रायंगल, ये ट्रायंगल और ये पैरेललोग्राम में हम लेट अस थिंक अबाउट इन दिस ट्रायंगल ABE and EBCY, are they having common base? Yes, this base B is looking common. And are they lie between same parallels? EB is parallel to AC? Yes. So from the theorem, a triangle and a parallelogram on the same base lie between same parallels. So the area of triangle ABE is equals to the half of area of parallelogram EBCY. Okay, so now since triangle ABE and parallelogram EBCY have common base B and between parallels between parallels. Which is the parallels? B is parallel to AC. B is parallel to AC. Therefore, area of triangle AB is equals to the half of area of parallelogram EBCY. राइट ये कौन सा रिजल्ट कह रहा है? दिस इज एग्जाम्पल नंबर 2, दैट एग्जाम्पल वी हैव रेड इट, है ना, जो हम लोग ये कह रहे थे कि इसका रीजन क्या देंगे, तो रीजन वही एग्जाम्पल नंबर 2. say this is equation number 1 and this is the reason from example 2. Right? Any confusion, friends? Okay, good. Okay friends, so let us see the forward part. अभी आगे बढ़ते. So अभी आपने क्या प्रूव किया कि this quadrilateral EBCY is a parallelogram. Afterward आपको क्या मिला कि this area of triangle EABE is equals to the half of area of this parallelogram. ठीक है? So similarly we can prove this parallelogram CF or FCBX is also a parallelogram. FCBX is also a parallelogram and this FCBF is a parallelogram. इसको prove करने के बाद we can say that area of this triangle ACF is equals to the half of area of parallelogram FCBX. Can you say? Right. So similarly we can prove that similarly we can prove that what you can prove FCBX is also a parallelogram. Quadrilateral quad FCBX is a parallelogram. Now if this is a parallelogram you can prove similarly, so you can say that therefore what you can say, this triangle ACF, since triangle ACF and parallelogram FCBX have common base CF and between the parallels CF is parallel to AB. CF is parallel to AB. Okay? If this triangle and parallelogram having common base and lying between same parallels, so the area of triangle, therefore area of triangle ACF is equals to half of area of parallelogram FCBX. Say this is equation number 2. Reason, same reason, example 2. From example 2, in this you have read a triangle and a parallelogram having common base lie between same parallels, so the area of triangle is equals to half of area of parallelogram. Right friends? So equation 1 and equation 2 is clear to you all. अभी हमको प्रूफ क्या करना है कि इन दोनों ट्रायंगल्स का एरिया इक्वल है, तो इसका मीनिंग क्या हुआ कि इन दोनों पैरेललोग्राम्स का एरिया इक्वल प्रूफ करें, देन ओनली यू कैन से द एरिया ऑफ दीज ट्रायंगल्स आर इक्वल. सो लेट अस डिस्कस दीज टू ट्रायंगल्स। अभी इन दोनों ट्रायंगल को ही डिस्कस करना बाकी, इन दोनों पैरेललोग्राम को ही डिस्कस करना बाकी है। कौन सा? ट्रायंगल EBCY, पैरेललोग्राम EBCY एंड सेकेंड पैरेललोग्राम FCBX। ये दोनों पैरेललोग्राम हम डिस्कस करते हैं। सो EBCY एंड FCBX, are they having common base? Now let us discuss. Now let us discuss about parallelograms about parallelograms which one? EBCY and second parallelogram which one? FCBX. Are they having common base? This parallelogram have common base BC, and between BC is parallel to X, Y, R, EF, you can say R, X, Y, you can say. Means if these two parallelograms having common base BC lying between same parallels, so it means their areas are equal by theorem 9.1. Therefore we will get the result, area of parallelogram EBCY is equals to the area of parallelogram FCBX. Reason, theorem 9.1 means two parallelograms on same base between same parallels, so their areas are equal. Clear हुआ दोस्तों? If their areas are equal, so it means half of their areas will be equal. Half of area of parallelogram EBCY will be equals to half of area of parallelogram FCBX. Clear? Now if half of are also equal, now half of area of parallelogram EBCY is equals to area of triangle, this is equals to area of triangle ABE, and this half of from equation first ये लिखा हमने, इसकी वैल्यू half of area of parallelogram EBCY is equals to area of triangle ABE, and this half of area of parallelogram FCBX is equals to is equals to area of triangle ACF. Right from equation first and second, from equation first and second we use the result. So dear friends, the area of these two triangles are equal, यही हमको प्रूव करना था in order to prove result. इसका कॉन्सेप्ट थोड़ा सा लॉन्ग है, बट ऐसा नहीं है कि आपको नहीं समझ में आएगा. You just see the videos clearly, repeat it till you will not get the concept of it. Understood?